What is up, guys, and welcome back to our episode. Today I am going to be doing something we don't do usually on this channel. Okay, oh gosh. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own character. Like, for example, when a person joins the game and you've selected a character, they could be that character you want them to be. So today we're going to be doing exactly that. And trust me, everybody thinks it's like very hard scripting, everything is needed. Guys, a script isn't even needed to do this. You just have to delete a few scripts most of the time. And, yep, so we're gonna select a dog, for example. It has to be animated, though, I think. Yeah, it should be. So we're gonna select this guy, for example. Hopefully he has, like, hopefully it's just not a mesh. What is this cube perfection world? Script should be used only by itself. The model should be unanchored. Unanchored. Anchored. What do you mean anchored? I mean, I don't care. I don't really know if it's anchored. Is it anchored? It's not. Okay. So I actually want to see if like this is so what is this script? Alright. I don't think this is like Pathfinder. Okay. And anchor. Shut up. Okay, so I'm gonna unanchor him because this guy seems a little bit sketchy, telling us that things should be anchored. I mean, this dog is like good and stuff, but unfortunately it won't work. Yeah. So I'm gonna like find a dog that's animated. Yeah, I think this one is like animated. Yeah, this one's animated. So we're gonna delete everything that like except for the anime. We're gonna delete him. I mean, I'm gonna delete this. So now we're gonna rename him to starter character. Don't worry, guys, you won't spawn as starter character. I will tell you guys, just if you're following my steps, just rename him character. Hopefully this is actually useful for some of you, because I am trying to like, by the way, this video was inspired by TheDevKing. I'm not taking credit for this myself. TheDevKing Dev was the one who taught me to do this, so thanks, Dev. So we're gonna place him, so like we're gonna select him, we're gonna click on him on a starter character, but you're not gonna like hold him, you're just gonna hold him like this. You're not gonna let go of him. So you're not gonna scroll down up. So now you're gonna scroll all the way down to starter player. By the way, guys, you can like select anything you want. Like you can select like a person or a dog or a cat or anything. It just has to have an animate script. And we're gonna place him in starter player, and the thing is gone. But watch what happens. So I have to make sure it's actually not anchored. It's not. So now we're gonna play. Like, we're gonna play on this like base model. Hopefully it doesn't throw me in the middle of nowhere, because yeah, so as you can see, we're right now a dog. And I actually have a shift to run script. This doesn't have a shift to run script. It's literally right here. I wrote this. So as you can see, okay, it doesn't really matter. There you go. So as you can see here, we are right now a dog, and I promise, guys, this is actually real. Here I am literally controlling him right now. It's not like animated or anything. So yeah, by the way, my phone's there. Nice. So yeah, this is not animated, so like this is not a joke or anything. You can jump or like everything. So yeah, that is how you can make your own character. But this is not only with dogs or like cats or anything. This works with every thing that is animated. If you want, you can even spawn like a car. Wait, a car. That gave me an idea. Wait, I want to see if we can actually spawn like a car. So I'm gonna select car, and I want to see if we can like get this like this Tesla. Let's see. So it has an H-Aces tune. Okay, this is like pretty weird. Okay, I don't care about this. So I actually want to see what happens like if we place it in the starter player. I don't think we're gonna like spawn like it, but still. Let's try. Dude, if we spawn like a car, which is not gonna happen, trust me, it won't, then this is gonna be ridiculous. Yeah, it didn't spawn us. I don't even know where the car went, to be honest. Oh, well, we are kind of lagging right now. I think this, yeah, I don't think it, oh, I forgot to change its name. Dude, I forgot to change the name. So, no. Okay, so let's just, I don't think it's gonna work, though. Starter character. Dude, if this actually works, I'm creating a new game about like you being a car ASAP. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna like have to select which car you should be, because I don't I don't know if everybody likes this. Come on, play. There you go. Alright, so let's see if we're gonna spawn like a cart. Trust me, this isn't gonna work. What? Do not tell me that tried to work. The car just like fell. Did you guys see it? How like fell? Yeah, I think this won't work. Won't work. I do want to like see if we could though. Like, I mean, wait. I just have an idea. I mean, we could like get a car, delete the HAS's tune, and put in the animation tool. All right, let's see. So I have to remove the HAS's car script. It's called HAS's. Okay, there is an HAS's. Let's make sure there's like nothing here. Alright, so now I'm gonna like, literally because I don't know how to really script well. So I'm gonna select, who should we select? Animated. Let's select that dog again. Is that dog even here yet? I think, I don't think I deleted him. Alright, let's just select animated dog. Alright, so let's just, dog free animation. Okay, so we're gonna like copy this animate. We're gonna copy it. And, from, this car. So from this, we're gonna insert a script. This should, I think this is a local script though. Yeah, no, it's a script actually. So we're gonna place in this script. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna paste it. Wait, did I copy it at all? Wait, hold on. Copy. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. Hold on. Wait, hold on. I gotta delete this. Or did I like do the wrong thing? Hold on. I wanna see. Okay. So I don't care about you. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna like select this whole thing. How long is this script? Oh my gosh. 543. Are you kidding me? Alright, so now we're gonna have to scroll all the way up to like literally like control this entire thing. I don't even know such a script took so long to make. Like seriously, I don't even know it took that long. So we're gonna copy this entire thing because obviously I can't write this entire script during this video. Dance? What? Dance? Oh, okay, so now we're gonna copy this entire thing, and from here we're gonna place it, so we're gonna place a local, a script, not a local script, because that won't work. I mean, it would work with a local script if you, like, don't have anything, so let's see. There you go. Alright, so now we have to insert, okay, so now, I think we have one script right now, like literally, I don't even, if this literally works, I'm reposting this because I don't think there's any like models on the entire Roblox studio that is still like that's like as a car that you can be. I mean, there are games, but yeah, so I'm gonna like delete all these tire things, just make sure I'm gonna delete every script that this car right now has, except for this one, which should be this one we just did. So now, from this guy, we're gonna take this script. Again, we're gonna have to scroll to down to the entire bottom. This one is actually shorter, with a few hundred spaces. So we're gonna copy this entire thing. We're gonna place another script in this car. Gonna place that script. Control V and boom. So now we have like 2 scripts, but like this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scripts. This one we don't need, by the way. So animate, and okay. So I think I'm gonna delete this one as well. Okay, so we're gonna like delete this one, this one, this one. No, don't. Darn it. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure like alright, so we've done 2 scripts. We need this one. So I think I deleted the wrong script. We're gonna see if it actually works. Alright, so let's copy this entire script. By the way, shout out to everybody who did the script. I'm still learning to script with the Lua program thing in Roblox. I mean, it's so I'm gonna like copy this entire thing. Boom. So now we're gonna place yet another script in this here, and from here we're gonna insert yet another script. Control V and boom. Like seriously, I'm such a cringe. I'm so cringe right now. Literally, I'm copying people's work. I mean, sorry for that, but I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, guys. So So everybody who did it. So okay, so now I think this one is the only one we have to do. I mean, okay, so I think we actually have to like copy this entire thing and like place it right here. Okay, hopefully that worked. And the first script here, it should be this one. I actually have to delete it because I did something wrong with it. You'll see what. So I'm just gonna scroll all the way up. What did I do? What did I do? Okay, so it's still, please don't. Oh gosh darn it. Alright, so I can't really like delete the entire thing because it's gonna take forever. It's literally 10 minutes into the video. I gotta make this video less than 20 minutes long. Because seriously, I always make videos like 20 minutes long. It's like, take the entire thing. Come on, just a bit more. Just a little bit more. There you go. So now we're gonna delete this entire thing. And we're gonna take this script. We're gonna copy. Copy. Come on, copy. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. But now we're gonna place it over here. And I think we're done, to be honest. So we're gonna remove this. Alright, so I think we're done. But, yeah. We're not done with one thing, which is the name. And trust me, if this works, I'm gonna, like, freak out. Like, seriously. Starter, it won't work out. Character. It won't work out, guys. I'm telling you, don't really try this because I might ruin your Roblox Studio thing. So this guy, we're deleting you. I hope I, like, placed... Okay, so we're not gonna place the drive seed. We won't need that. I don't think so. Oh, the chase it. What is the chases tune still doing here? Alright, so guys, we're gonna try this. No, I did not place it in the starter player. I almost placed. Okay, so now, guys, the moment of truth. Will I spawn like a police car? No, I won't. It won't, guys. The whole thing just collapsed. Like seriously, it just collapsed. Hold on, I wanna see what happens if I anchor it. Actually, it won't work. I'm telling you guys, it won't work. If it's anchored, it literally doesn't let me do anything. I told you guys it won't work. If you did this, congratulations. You just got half pranked, half not pranked. But yeah, this is how you can do this for yourself. By the way, yeah, so that's how you can do this for yourself, for your games. Hopefully this tutorial was useful. Again, this is inspired by the Roblox dev. This is not my idea. This is the TheDevKing's idea. And yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it could be of some use for your games, for anything. And yeah, it's gonna be here for now. Goodbye.